Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
Beyond Mobility 2016, a day-long technology conference was held at the Bosch India headquarters in Bengaluru recently. The main focus of the conference was to showcase Bosch India's extensive range of connected and smart solution offerings in mobility and non-mobility fields.
I welcome all of you from the media fraternity as well as from the influencers community to the Beyond Mobility 2016 event by Bosch. The symposium today will showcase the solutions from Bosch from beyond automotive sector. Bosch India management has always strived to replicate the global business model in India, and this model has gained a present momentum for last 2 years. And now I would like to call upon stage the dignitaries from Bosch India management who will take us through our portfolios. I would like to call upon stage Dr. Stephen Burns with his first round of presentation for introducing us to the Beyond Mobility 2016.
Very warm welcome to all of you. Bosch stands for Invented for Life. Innovative, meaningful and high quality solutions and products. And today we want to talk about those products which are in most cases not as well known, the products beyond mobility solutions. As you know, Bosch has 4 different business sectors, the largest being mobility solutions worldwide, about 60%, in India about 85% of our business. So in India, we have a lot of growth potential for those 3 sectors beyond mobility solutions, namely energy and building technology, industrial technology, and consumer goods. And on top of these verticals or underlying, we have the horizontal of software and engineering services. And this is unique for India. In India, we are actually the largest engineering center of Bosch outside of our location of our headquarters in Germany, simply connected. This is the topic we are seeing more and more in the worldwide economy, also for Bosch and in India. And here we have just listed a few of the examples: connected mobility, connected energy, buildings or industry, but it goes further and it goes deeper. And we will show you something on connected construction, connected packaging, home appliances, software, and many more topics. And one of the changes we're seeing is that this goes beyond the different business sectors, and it covers hardware, specifically sensors, it covers software, and it covers services. So we have a much more integrated approach. We are prepared for future requirements and growth, and to avoid any misunderstanding, we continue to grow in mobility solutions, but on top of this, we also want to grow in the business beyond mobility solutions to make a change with fascinating technologies for your everyday life. Thank you very much again for coming here, for joining us. Nowadays, customers ask for integrated end-to-end solutions across the different divisions. We are having smart approaches or connected systems across many different applications. For example, we have smart cities, smart homes, smart manufacturing, mining, agriculture, and many more. In connected systems, we combine sensors, software, and services, and there we're also going to have completely different business models. We are combining the physical with the virtual world and thus offering completely new potentials. India is very well positioned to play a lead role in this area because we have a strong engineering, a strong manufacturing, and a strong software base. Actually, for Bosch, the largest R&D center outside Germany. In addition, we are also expanding our sales and service network into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, thus offering fascinating solutions for your everyday life.
The next speaker was Hans Bangaj, representing Bosch Rexroth India, and he made a presentation on Bosch solutions for the mining sector.
We are going to invest more into this smart mining, where if you put ourselves in the skin of a mining operator, he wants productivity, he wants an enhanced reliability, and he wants accountability. If he wants to have that, then we need to connect all the devices working in the mine together via the Bosch Internet of Things, and then all the data that we are collecting will be communicated to a data processor, and this data analyzer will see, okay, here we have a hydraulic, for example, excavator. How much fuel is he consuming? How much, what about hydraulic system? Is there oil contamination, and all that will be automatically gathered, collected in the data, will brought to this higher level, and here we do the comparison. Is it okay right now? Does it need service? Can we still wait with service, and so forth? All this will be analyzed and finally brought to the third level, where the operator, the miner, will get all the information and will then can take his conclusions about this. This will give, at the end, more productivity. So that's the vision we have, and we do this not only with Bosch Rexroth, we deliver the hardware, but together with Robert Bosch Engineering and Business Solution, we team up, go together to the customer, and there we have a very deep dive consultation to the customer to see how can we create the best system for him.
Manish PK from Bosch India made a presentation on the latest power tools being offered by Bosch for the construction industry.
Bosch Power Tools has been the leading manufacturer and supplier of power tools and accessories and services for the construction industry. So we provide the professional working in the construction industry with every single possible tool to manage the complete life cycle of a construction project. From state-of-art drilling tools, cutting tools, demolition hammers, to best-in-class battery-operated, long-lasting cordless tools, measuring instruments, a wide range of measuring instruments, and a lot of other power tools electrically operated, which works on wood, metal, and other surfaces. All of our solutions and services is backed by the Bosch assurance of after-sales service, which is delivered to our customers through our wide network of after-sales service centers, which is spread across the country. We often even do on-site service support for our large customers. When you think of safety, communication, and security, Bosch Security Systems is your perfect partner. It offers a wide range of solutions in the areas of video systems, fire alarm systems, intrusion detection systems, public addressal systems, and all the systems are integrated systems which can also be tailored to meet the specific requirement of the individual application.
Bosch India's packaging portfolio was presented by Ashok Gaurish.
The growing economy and the higher purchase power, the retail revolution and the automation, these are the three important attributes driving the overall growth of the industry, and the industry is forecasted to grow by a strong double-digit number. And here at Bosch, we are very well prepared to be fully aligned with this growth. From the portfolio perspective, I mean, we are constantly upgrading our portfolio. Portfolio upgradation might be by getting the technology transferred from our center of competence, or in few cases where the technology is available, we have our own development center and we do the local developments for primarily to meet the emerging market requirements. So in total, our customers have many choices, but in spite we are a very preferred partner, suppliers to our customers. It is because we provide our customers a complete end-to-end solution, a proven German technology which has very high overall equipment efficiency, but at a very competitive price to performance ratio, and on top, all this installed base is properly backed up by very good after sales service activities.
Safety and security is of primal importance in a highly volatile world, and Bosch's security division is doing its bit to make the world a safer place.
At Bosch, our famous tagline is that we are invented for life. But what is life without security and safety? This is where exactly our business comes in. ST division, or famously called Security Technologies, produces and creates solutions around video surveillance, communications, fire detection, access control, and then an overarching software which integrates all of this into an end-to-end and seamless solution. The division is also at the forefront of Internet of Things, convergence, digitization, and solutions which are futuristic. Be it critical communication, be it a residential application, or be it an upcoming smart city, we have the answers for your safety and security solutions. One of our key verticals under critical infrastructure is transportation. This is a growth vertical for us and we are focusing very intensely on it. The solutions that we give to the people who use transportation in India are around analytics, video surveillance, fire detection, public information display system, and evacuation services. Our focus for this vertical is that we want to elevate the experiences of the passengers who use the transportation vertical in India and make their life more safe and secure.
Welcome back, friends from media and press. The next topic is on energy.
The post-lunch session of the event featured a presentation by Venu Gopalan on Bosch India's sustainable energy solutions.
I would like to come from the point of view of the need for energy security for the economic growth of India. India, to keep up the pace with the growth what we are targeting, the electricity generation and the energy capacity has to be increased tremendously. But at the same time, looking at the climate change, the global warming, we should also look at sustainable solutions by using renewable energy and also by putting energy efficient measures to save every bit of energy being generated. Bosch is deeply committed towards sustainability. And by taking advantage of or taking strength from our design and engineering competence, we have provided customized and reliable and energy efficient solutions in terms of solar water heating solutions, solar photovoltaic solutions, and products like solar water heater, gas water heater, and commercial industrial boilers, which are highly reliable and highly efficient. I must say that we are very proud to have powered Cochin International Airport completely through solar and made that airport to be the world's first airport, which is completely on solar power. We were also recognized by United Nations Development Program for our energy efficiency solution for steel rolling mills. Our endeavor is to continuously innovate and integrate efficient solutions to help our customer to meet their energy targets, and thereby we become their energy partner.
Next on the agenda was a presentation on Bosch's integrated smart city solutions by Dheeraj Wali of Bosch India.
Currently, Bosch is the only company worldwide which is active in all the three levels of Internet of Things, which is sensors and devices, software and services. Internet of Things, you will appreciate, is the backbone of connected cities or smart cities. Bosch has conceptualized and developed integrated end-to-end smart city solutions for urban mobility and security. And these are all tailored for Indian conditions, which is so important. If I give you a sense of the solutions that Bosch has developed, these are: number one, intelligent traffic management, which includes citizen safety and security, air quality monitoring, and even radio dispatch. If I talk of the second solution, that is intelligent parking management, this offers features and functionalities which are unheard of. This solution helps to aggregate and manage the parking across the city. As I said, with a lot of features and functionalities, like even before stepping out of the home, I can book my parking slot. And then we have intelligent transport system, which helps to improve the service and efficiency of the fleet operators in the city.
Bosch has been a leading player in home appliances and wants to capture the Indian market as well. Gunjan Srivastav revealed Bosch's plan for India in the home appliances space.
BSH is a global leader in home appliances, in fact Europe's number one. We came into India almost 6 years ago, and our ambition in India is to be a leading player again in the next 5 to 10 years. Our strategy is very clear. We really want to combine the strength of German engineering and the brand Bosch we have, which stands for performance, quality and durability. Combine that with understanding Indian consumer needs, and then create a solution which best serves the Indian consumer requirement. So in fact, we are, as a strategic direction, spending a lot of time and effort in understanding the requirements of the Indian consumer. We really cater to the entire household range. So we are into cooling products, which is refrigeration, and the rest of the products, washing machines, dryers, etc. In the kitchen, we have dishwashers. We have the entire cooking range. We are going to introduce them, slowly one by one in India. Right now, we are a strong player in washing. We are also into cooling in India. The fact that we really want to address the Indian consumer requirements can be seen from some of the products we have launched already. So in our washing machine, we are really talking about no damage as a core claim, which really caters to the requirement which the Indian consumer has because of a unique Variodrum technology. Similarly, in refrigerators, we talk about Vita Fresh, which keeps your food fresh for more than 4 times what any other brand would do. So these are the kind of technologies and solutions we are bringing in, which is in line with what the Indian consumer requirements are. Okay. In terms of our sales and service network, we are available in more than 200 cities today. We want to expand to more than 300 in the next 2 or 3 years. And what we are doing for the consumer is to bring the brand alive is by also launching brand stores. So exclusive Bosch brand stores, which will give the experience and presentation of the brand in the most delightful manner. We have almost 42 plus brand stores of Bosch already around the country, and our objective is in the next 2 to 3 years to take that to almost 150.
We live in a connected world, and that's what was reiterated by the next speaker, Dattatreya Gaur, on Bosch's future of connected systems in both urban and rural India.
Future of Bosch is connected systems, and when we talk of connected systems, then we are talking about systems, physical systems that are connected through computer networks, through cloud and so many other gizmos. And this brings in a lot of value. This taps actually quite a lot of new value into our offerings and makes it even richer. Today I'm going to talk about 2 things. One, industrial IoT or smart manufacturing. There's a lot of people talking about infusing digital technologies into manufacturing sector and thereby increasing productivity, reducing wastage, increasing quality and so on. When we talk about this, we are talking about horizontal and vertical integration that covers manufacturing spectrum, not just the manufacturing lines, but the entire logistics network included in that. Second interesting aspect from our side is smart agricultural solutions, and here we are talking about increasing productivity through having a very tight control on the soil nutrients, on the amount of water that is required. Water is a very precious resource and we have to have water management of that. How do we put sensors, how do we get computers, how do we do a control loop feedback, thereby getting a lot of benefits in that area. And besides that, once the harvest is done, how it is also protected. So we are talking about solutions, smart solutions for cold storage.
Bosch's Beyond Mobility solutions will help it to contribute significantly to the Make in India initiative. With its wide range of products and service offering, Bosch is poised to deliver cutting-edge technology to improve everyday life.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.